So guys, we are going to learn HTML and I'll be teaching, you'll be learning, and in this video I'll simply teach you how to make a simple form in HTML, and you'll be able to make a perfect form using my code, and I'll explain each use of any specific task or any problems, and then we'll go together. So without any delay, let's go towards the computer screen. Here I have got VS Code as a text editor or code editor. We're gonna open so I have got this folder, and I have selected this folder. So I have opened this folder, and here we have got our index.html file. If you have any problem with this setup, you can just comment below. I'll just help you if you want. So we have got our VS Code as in code editor. So let us start writing the code. So we're gonna start with HTML. Then simply we'll write title, 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 and we're gonna give it name form, simple form. Let us write simple, simple form, form, sorry, form. So we have given the title, so let's do body, body, and then we're gonna use okay, header, that's one, and then I will write as this is simple, simple, simple form, form, and then we'll create a separate body or division, say div, and then write your name, your name, say first name, first, first name, and then give this one. Then simply write input, input, type, type equals to text, text, and then you can give it this closing tag, and then okay, your email, email, then say input type text, then the closing tag, and then password, then you're gonna give input type, input, sorry, input input type, type, this is gonna be password, so closing tag must be given. Then we're gonna keep one submit button, input, okay, type submit, submit. So this is in, and let us run this and look how does it look like. So we have got this type of form, which is this structure. So we're gonna arrange this using simple techniques. So let us edit this. Let us close first. Sorry. Let's close this one. And yeah. Okay, you are gonna use br tag, and the closing, and simply another br we can give br closing, okay, and br again. The br tag will simply create a space between the lines. Okay, so BR, um, again BR. So let us see how is our website now. So see, simply our format has changed slightly like this. Our core is this, and our format is this. So let's close this. Already has some input. So see here, you can see, like, you can type here your name, Priyar, AJWAL, Projwal, UTAM Gautam, and simply you can fill the form like this. We have created successfully, and email, your email, you can just randomly do anything. .com, then your password will be like anything, and you can input. This is password type, and this is submit button, which will submit the information of this. Okay, so it was the simple code you could make now. If you want this code, I'll give you in the description, maybe, and you can copy from there if you need this, or you can just take a screenshot of this. I'll just make it a little bigger for you to see, and then you can screenshot and just try to do your by self. Okay, let's end this video, and it was a basic video for those who don't know HTML, but if you know, it's okay. But if you don't know, then it's totally going to work for you. And in upcoming videos, I'll make a basic HTML tutorials for you guys, where I'll be teaching different fields and different techniques, different tags of HTML, and make a dynamic website. I'll also proceed toward CSS, JavaScript, and React in a linear motion. So stay tuned and stay coding. Okay, bye.